By now, we've all heard the story. Amazon wants to make delivery by aerial drones a reality for its customers.
Some people have greeted this story with enthusiasm. Others thought it was science fiction.
And the people charged with actually making this story happen are greeting it with open minds and ingenuity, the kind of gusto that only people who believe in the art of the possible and in themselves can feel.
We began this journey in 2013 with a dedicated collection of safety, aerospace, science, robotics, software, and hardware experts working together.
Drafting, building, fixing, inventing, trying, retrying, improving. Making this program a reality would mean making drones that are safe, reliable, and scalable. It'd mean logging thousands of flight hours and testing our drones obsessively, pushing prototypes past their limits, learning, and building a better aircraft each time. They'd have to use sense and avoid systems to help keep them away from obstacles like people and pets, and to make decisions on their own.
These drones would have to be smart enough to know how to choose the correct path forward, even if that path is backward. They'd have to be smart enough to know when the safest thing to do is to turn around and head back home. So we did all that. And now, later this year, uncrewed autonomous aircraft will be delivering packages to customers living in Lockford, California and College Station, Texas, in less than an hour. We'll create new jobs, build partnerships with local organizations, and help reduce the impact of climate change on future generations. So many chapters of this story are yet to be written. Today is just the beginning.